Hi, I'm Dr. Jackson. I'm head of the business department at RSU. The proposal that I've set forth for Giving Week involves an upgrade of this classroom, which is our Zoom classroom. It's used primarily for business core courses, but other departments use it as well. The classroom is used pretty much all day, every day of the week. And we have some old technology in the classroom that is in need of upgrade. So the primary item that we're looking to upgrade, that is basically replace, is this smart podium. I'm not sure when we acquired this. I know we had it when I came to RSU in 2013, and I think the university had had it for a few years at that point. What I'm proposing is that we acquire for this classroom the Microsoft Surface Studio Desktop, which has a Pixel Sense touchscreen that's about 4 times this large. Another item that we would like to do is mirror this screen here. They typically will show students in Bartlesville and Pryor as class is being conducted. Replace it, or not replace it, but augment it with another screen at the back of the classroom. And this will allow them to keep facing toward their classroom but still see their students. Thank you for allowing me to present this proposal. Anything you can do to help our students during Giving Week is greatly appreciated. So please visit rsu.edu/give. Thank you.